I know you're in the middle of this illness right now, but I need you to make a promise to yourself. You need to promise to never give up until you get better. Never give up. Never accept that you're going to be sick the rest of your life. Never keep seeking the answer. Never stop being willing to make the changes that you need to make to heal. Never being willing to stop being wrong. You have to be willing to be wrong to heal. Okay? You have to be willing to make change. You got to be willing to believe that you're going to be able to heal. All right? You have to promise yourself to never give up, to never give up. If you don't give up, then you'll succeed. It's just a matter of time. You keep pushing longer and longer and longer, more and more forward, you will find the answers. This is what happened with me. It took me over a decade to find the answer for myself, and then it took several more years to find the answer for my daughter when she got sick later. And the reality is, if you just make the decision initially that you're never going to give up until you find the answer, you're never going to give up until you're successful, then it's a guarantee that you're going to be successful. You just keep going with it and put all the faith in it. Put the faith in your higher power. Give it all the praise. Give it all the glory. Know that it's going to guide you to where you need to be to discover what you need to discover to heal. This is absolutely the truth. I've seen it with other people. I've seen it with myself. As I said, it's a fact. So it all starts with belief. It all starts with expectation. It all starts with willingness and commitment to uncover the things that are leading to the illness. Willingness to do anything that you need to heal. The last thing on earth you ever want to do is buy into the diagnosis, buy into the belief that this is going to be how it is forever, okay? Because certain things, there may be some genetic something that you're born with and that's the way it was, but if it happened during your lifetime, it can be changed as far as I'm concerned. Anything can be reversed. You just have to believe it. You have to believe it. And if there's a certain stage that you've gone past and you cannot go backwards to where you were, I respect that, I understand that. But you have to be able to understand that you can still heal and start to get better and better and better and improve your quality of life, improve the quality of life consistently, more and more and more, and move in the right direction. And that's the most important thing. So don't believe that it's just going to keep getting worse. Don't believe that there's no hope. Believe that you can improve through your actions, through finding the right supplements, through researching further, through believing that your higher power will lead you to the answer, right? Because that is what's going to guide you. That's what's actually going to deliver the answer is your higher power. It's going to bring you and guide you to the information that you need. But if you're stuck in fear and you're stuck in disbelief that this illness will never leave, or you're caught in these diagnostic terms and believing they're true, then you will never actually attract the information to you. You'll never vibrationally send out the right vibration to attract the circumstances where the information would even be presented to you. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you've probably done a lot of research and you ended up in the right place, but I'm trying to spread the information the best I can to let you know that the way you approach it mentally will dictate your success in terms of your healing. You have to expect the healing to occur. You have to expect that this illness is trying to teach you something. You have to be willing to learn the lesson. You got to be willing to change. You got to be willing to be wrong. And this is how you heal on a spiritual, on a mental level, on a physical level, on every level you could think of. So thanks for watching. Go to my website, endsickness.org. I have hundreds of articles and videos in there teaching you how to heal yourself. Have a good one.